Good morning. I want to speak to your manager right now. Look at these pictures. I paid a lot for these cabinets. Look, the paint is peeling and the door is crooked. I want you to fix it now.
Good morning, Mrs. Welcome to PT Cipta Interior. My name is Muhammadiyah. I am the receptionist of PT Cinta Interior. We are sorry. We are deeply apologize for the inconvenience caused. Thank you for coming here. To resolve the issue, may I know your name, your contact number, and the details of your issue. Please have a seat here, ma'am.
My name is Sela Marcella, and my contact number is 20251130. Like I said, the paint is peeling and the door is crooked. I want you to fix it now.
Thank you for the information, Mrs. Stella. To resolve your issue, this issue has to be handled directly by Mr. Baim, the project manager of PT Cipta Interior. May I have your permission to call him right now?
Do whatever.
Thank you. I'll be back.
Plan for our project. Hold on, okay?
Good morning, Mr. Baim.
Morning.
There's a serious complaint here about our product quality.
The complaint about installation kitchen set?
Can you please help us and come directly to handle this issue?
Oh, I'm on the meeting right now and I'll be there in 15 minutes, okay?
Thank you. I will provide the information to her. Mrs. Stella, we are afraid that Mr. Baim cannot be here right now because he is at the meeting. However, he will be meeting you in 15 minutes. Please follow me, ma'am.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Baim, the project manager of PT Cipta Interior. And I'm here to see about your problem in here. Can you tell me more about your problems?
Finally, the man in charge. Here's the problem. The paint, the cabinets, everything.